Did you know that your nervous system is one of the most powerful and complex systems in the human body? It controls everything you do, from breathing and blinking to thinking and dreaming. Here are 10 amazing facts about the human nervous system. Fact number 1, your brain contains around 86 billion neurons. These tiny cells communicate with each other to help you think, move, and remember. That's more than the number of stars in our Milky Way galaxy. Fact number 2, nerve signals can travel at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. That's about as fast as a racing car speeding down a highway. Fact number 3, although your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it uses around 20% of your body's total energy. Fact number 4, your nervous system processes information incredibly fast, allowing you to react to the world around you in fractions of a second. Fact number 5, the spinal cord acts like a superhighway carrying messages between your brain and the rest of your body. Fact number 6, surprisingly, your brain itself cannot feel pain because it has no pain receptors. Headaches actually come from surrounding tissues and blood vessels. Fact number 7, your brain generates electrical activity all the time. In fact, it produces enough electricity to power a small light bulb. Fact number 8, every memory you have is created through connections between neurons. The more you learn, the stronger these connections become. Fact number 9, the human brain continues developing until around the age of 25, especially the areas responsible for decision-making and planning. And finally, fact number 10, your nervous system works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Even while you sleep, it continues controlling your heartbeat, breathing, and countless other vital functions. The human nervous system is truly one of nature's greatest masterpieces. Which fact surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing facts from Facts the Factory.